Hi beauties, guess what? This hair styler is one of my favorites for so many reasons, because it saves you a lot of time and you don't need to blow dry your hair all the way. It will dry your hair and style your hair at the same time. And what's so gorgeous about this one is that it has two heads. So it has the wide one and it has the thin one, the narrow one, so you can style the big and the small. If you have long hair like mine, shorter hair, you can use the big one for the longer hair and the short one for the shorter hair. So if you have bangs, you can use the shorter one for your bangs as well. Isn't that amazing? So let's open the box. It comes also with a heating protective glove so you don't burn your hand. And this is the body, and this is where we are going to connect the short one. And look, it has like the plastic brushes and the fluffy brushes, and also like it has ceramic plated body from here. This is the oval head, that is the wide head, that will give you volume to your head. This will give you more curly curls to the hair, okay? This will give you more straight but wavy kinda hairstyling. This is really nice. I really like it because it gives more volume. This is more wavy, more curly. I'll be starting with this one. So it has an edge. We need to insert it and twist it. Then we need to connect it to the power from here. Burn my hand. Amazing. And this is the final look. Very nice. My hair looks gorgeous and shining. I love it. The final result is amazing. I hope you like it and use it as nicely as I do. Thank you for watching. Cheers.